There's gonna be an Easter egg hunt today.
There's actually gonna be 4 Easter egg hunts. There's easy, very easy.
Oh.
Very
Well,
hard.
what are they?
I think they're for like vehicles. Let's go.
Alright, let me get onto my skateboard.
Let's go. Oh my god, they even dyed the trees.
Easter's tomorrow, so there has to be an Easter egg hunt.
Yeah. And I heard it's at the center of the whole town, right here.
Alright. Oh, they even dyed the bricks.
Yeah. Oh, look. I was wrong. It's medium, hard, and extreme. I'm gonna go with easy.
Easy.
Okay. Oh, I already found one. Oh, and another one.
Oh, I found one.
And another one.
Oh, and another one.
And another one.
Here's another one.
And
I found a
another
pink one. Oh, here's a golden one. Oh, I found a blue one.
There's like so many in like one spot.
Yeah, I found another one.
I'm almost done.
Yeah, same. This is super easy.
Where are you?
Oh, I see another one. And 2 more.
I did it. Ooh, I just got the prize.
I see another one.
Marigold.
Oh, I got a new vehicle.
Marigold, where are you? Let's look. What's that?
I have the same one.
Okay, I see why. Let's go with medium this time.
Okay.
I started mine.
Okay.
Oh, there's 20 on me. That's a lot.
Okay. Now let's try medium.
That's
All right, we've got to find 20. Oh, I found one.
I missed the one on the diving board. Got it.
Oh, I see one too.
Me and Summit just fell into the water.
Oh, I found some in the water.
Summit doesn't like the water.
Easter is already tomorrow.
Oh, I already found some more.
I see one. I see 2. I see a golden one.
Found another one. Oh, I see one by the school.
Do I? Yes, I do.
Got it. Oh, there's one by the hospital.
Got one too. Ugh, the evil boss. Remember the evil boss?
Yeah.
Oh, we see another one.
They're hard to find. Oh, I found another one.
Oh, I see one. We're both seeing them at the same spots.
I know, but they're still fun. Oh, I see another one right across here.
Yeah, I see one. I see one too.
What color is yours? Mine's yellow.
Mine's purple.
Mine's
Oh, I see another one.
How many eggs? Why are there so many eggs? Oh, I found one.
Oh, I see one.
Oh, I see another one.
Oh, I see a red one.
This is so fun. Yoink. Oh, did you miss my bunny backpack?
Yeah, I saw it.
My mom got it for me for Easter.
Isn't Easter tomorrow?
Yeah, but I'm wearing it right now.
Let's check the daycare. See if there's any in there.
I don't think they would hide some in the kitchen. Oh, I see one by the sign over there. Ooh.
Oh yeah, the sign where our houses are. It's green.
Give it. Mine was purple. Ooh, what about the movie theater?
Oh yeah, there's a cyan one.
Ooh, I just got one by the grocery store. I'm done with my Easter egg hunt.
Wait, you are?
Marigold, Brian, look at my new car. Marigold,
I'm still on the Easter egg hunt.
Marigold, come
I'm still on the Easter egg, so I need to look for eggs.
I want to show you my new card.
I see it.
Look, ready?
Hold on. I see it already. Okay, where is the next one? Are we doing the hard and extreme ones?
Yes. We need to do all of them. We need to unlock all the cards.
I found one!
I'm gonna wait for you by the side.
Alright, I've got one more to find.
Did you check by the movie theater?
Uh-huh. I'm pretty sure I did.
What about the gas station?
Okay.
Did you find it yet?
I still need to look. This is harder than the last one. The last one was like extremely easy.
Where haven't you looked yet?
I see one!
Oh, that might be your last one. Oh, you never looked by the diner.
Oh, I got a new vehicle.
So did I. It's purple.
Yep. Alright, now we have to do hard. Are you ready for this one?
I already studied it.
Okay, let's look. Oh, we have to find 30. Oh, I see one.
I see one right here. Yoink. My egg.
Oh, I found one.
Oh, I see one over here.
Let's look up in the apartment complex.
They might hide eggs inside places. So yeah, you might want to check there.
Where are you?
I'm right behind you.
I don't see you.
I'm on my skateboard.
Oh, I need to get on mine too. We can look. We can look on them. Oh, I found one. Well, we found one.
Yeah.
Wait, I found one.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, wait, we might want to check underneath the water. Sorry, Summer. Okay, nope, there's no eggs underneath the water. Sorry, Summer.
Oh, I found one under the playground thing.
Oh, I see it. Oh, wait, Marigold, did you find the one in the plant?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Oh, I see one by the movie theater.
Oh, yeah. Got it.
Oh, I see one by the airport.
Oh, yeah. And I see one at the drive-thru. I see one inside. Oh, wait, no, I thought I saw one inside. Oh, I see one. Oh, we both see one.
And then I saw another one on top of the soda machine over here.
Where?
Over here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Marigold, I found another one right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I found another one.
Oh, through the alley? Why is there a girl following us?
Oh, maybe she's doing the egg hunt too. Oh, I found another one right here at the bus stop.
I can't even get it.
Oh, I found one behind the sign.
You did? Where are you?
I'm at the egg hunt sign. Will you choose the egg hunt?
Oh.
There's like one right. Marigold, right here. Marigold. Here. There's one right here.
All right.
What else? Grocery store. Don't see one. Don't see one in the grocery store. Oh, I found another one.
Oh, here's one.
What about what's here? I found one.
What?
I know there's another secret. Just gotta find it. Yeah. Secret area.
The girl is still here.
Yeah, she's probably doing the Easter hunt too. Come on, let's continue the Easter hunt.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, yep, right here. I was just about to say there's one right here. No.
Where'd she go? The girl who's following us is gone.
Oh, she's right here. It's really hard to find. Well, I guess that's why it's called hard. Oh, I found one.
Oh, yeah.
Get up here. Ah, I got it. Ooh, what about in the places?
No.
You never know. You gotta just keep looking. There's also that area. There's also the one that goes into the kitchen. There might be one in the kitchen. Yeah, no, there's not one in the kitchen.
Well, let's continue going.
Grab your skateboard.
Oh, yeah. We need to grab them.
I'm zooming out.
Is this your car over here?
No, that's not mine. Dude just grabbed me with his car. No.
I can tell why they call this extreme. Oh, I see one!
No, it's actually hard.
Let's check the inside of the hospital. Flower?
The cemetery.
Oh, yeah.
Ah,
We've got 10 more to find.
they fell into the grave.
After I get this one, we'll have 9 more to find. Oh my god, I fell inside.
They fell inside too.
We've got 9 more to find.
Any behind the school? Not seen. What about here at the skate area? What about at the skateboard area? Nope. Not seen any.
Well, not at the skate park.
Nope. Oh, no, but there might be one over here and at the campsite.
I can tell why they call this hard.
Yeah, me too. Nope, not one here.
Check in the water. Maybe there's some in the water. Look under.
Not seeing any. Yeah, I'm not seeing any.
Yeah, not me either.
Summer's having fun though.
I'm surprised she didn't freak out at the water.
Me too.
Back at the skate park.
Checking on top of the school.
How would they get up here?
Use the skate park like we just did. No.
We don't
But
see
this
any.
is a vantage point to look for eggs. Yay!
We did it! Okay, we've got